James Webb has just peered into the deepest part of the cosmos, and what it found could shatter everything we thought we knew about how the universe began. Galaxies forming too fast, too early, too massive. Has our cosmic history been wrong this entire time? NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has shattered expectations, peering billions of years into the past, dislecting alien atmospheres and spotting galaxies older than anything we have ever seen. This isn't just science, it's a cosmic revolution, and in this video you'll learn the shocking truths it's uncovered, including signs that might point to the life beyond Earth. Imagine seeing the birth of the universe. James Webb Space Telescope has just done it. It captured light from the galaxies that formed just 330 million years after the Big Bang. One of them, Jade's G7Z13-1, is the oldest galaxy we have ever detected. It's like discovering a photograph of the universe as a baby. And the strangest part, these galaxies form faster and earlier than scientists expected. Why? That's still a mystery. Now here's the discovery that stunned scientists. James Webb Space Telescope detected methane and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere of an exoplanet called K2-18b. Even more jaw-dropping, there's a possible trace of dimethyl sulfide or DMS, a compound that on Earth is only produced by life. Webb's powerful infrared eyes have also spotted water vapors in a distant exoplanet atmospheres. Words like TOI-421b and GJ9827d are now part of the growing list of potential extreme worlds. While they might not be Earth-like, they are teaching us how planets form and evolve and what to look for when searching for habitability. Now Webb Space Telescope is also revealing wild weather beyond Earth. On Titan, Saturn's largest moon, it caught methane clouds swirling in the north, proof that its alien weather is active again. And on Jupiter, it recorded massive auroras far brighter than any on Earth. These storms tell us how magnetic fields and atmosphere dance in distant worlds. In the dark clouds of LINS 483, Webb captured the birth of stars in stunning detail. You can literally see jets of gas shooting out from baby stars. It's like watching the universe create itself, one spark at a time. Another historic first, James Webb Space Telescope detected carbon dioxide in the atmosphere of WASP-39b. This is the first clear detection of this gas in an exoplanet, and it's key to understanding planetary chemistry. It's like having a tool that finally lets us read the atmosphere of alien worlds. Every discovery Webb makes is a step forward. It's not just about distant galaxies or alien skies, it's about understanding who we are, where we come from, and what else might be out there. From the oldest galaxies to strange new worlds, the James Webb Space Telescope is unlocking the universe's biggest secrets. But this is just the beginning. We are entering a golden era of discovery, and you are a part of it. Now if you found this video informative or it blew your mind, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. We have got the front row seat to the greatest discoveries in human history. And trust me, you won't want to miss what comes next. And I'll meet you in the next video.